Hello, today we will guide you through how to export Lovable project to GitHub. We'll start from the Lovable Home dashboard, where all of your projects are listed. From here, open the project you want to export by clicking on the sample project shown on the screen. This takes you into the project workspace, where you can access sharing and integration options. Once the project is open, look to the bottom left corner and click the plus sign. This opens a menu with additional actions and connection options for your project. In that menu, choose GitHub. This is the option that allows you to link your Lovable project to a GitHub repository so the project files can be stored and managed there. At this point, if your GitHub account is not connected yet, click Connect. In some cases, the account may already be linked, so you may see that the connection is already active. If that happens, simply continue to the next screen. After the connection is established, click on Connected. This opens the GitHub settings area for the current project, where you can confirm that the repository link is in place. Next, click View on GitHub. This will open the linked repository in GitHub in a new page or tab. You are now looking at the exported version of your Lovable project inside GitHub, which is helpful if you want to store the code, share it with others, or download a copy for local use. On the GitHub repository page, click the Code button. This opens a drop-down menu with different ways to access the project files. For this walkthrough, choose Download Zip. GitHub will then download the full repository as a zip file to your computer. This is a simple and convenient way to export your Lovable project through GitHub, especially if you want a local backup or need to move the project into another development workflow. If the download does not begin right away, give it a moment and check your browser's downloads area. Also, make sure your GitHub connection is properly authorized in Lovable if you do not see the expected repository options. And that's it. You've successfully opened your Lovable project, connected it to GitHub, viewed the repository, and downloaded the project as a zip file.